Dear brothers and sisters, today is the 6th day of Hajj, 13th of Zul Hijjah. More than 50% of the Hujjaj have already left Mina. They have gone to Makkah to perform Tawaf al-Wida and they may be going back home. But you are one of the lucky ones who is staying behind and staying at Mina. Now what you have to do? Same thing what you did on 11th of Zul Hijjah and 12th of Zul Hijjah. The activity is to do the stoning of 3 shaitan. After Salatul Zuhr or the time which has been assigned to you, please go to the small shaitan and stone those shaitan, the small shaitan, 7 stones, then make the dua. Then go to the medium shaitan and stone 7 times. And each time when you're throwing the stone, say, Bismillah, Allahu Akbar, and then make the dua. Then when you reach the biggest shaitan, stone it, and then do not make the dua. Then come back, and then pack your bag, and then thanks Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, then leave Mina before Maghrib, go to Makkah and perform Tawaf al-Wida if you are planning to leave Makkah and going to the airport. But if you're going to delay Tawaf al-Wida, then you can go to your room or wherever your residence or the hotel is, and be thankful to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala and try to have a change in your life. This is very important. May Allah accept your Hajj and make every Hajj's Hajj to be Hajj Mabrur. Congratulations, Mubarak, Hajj Mabrur. Thank you very much.
لبيك اللهم لبيك لبيك لا شريك لك لبيك إن الحمد والنعمة لك والملك لا شريك لك